friends, and welcome back. Today I want to spend a cozy day together, really getting into the Christmas spirit. The holiday season really is my favorite time of year. I love all the food, the activities, and just the general sense of joy that surrounds this season. And so today I just want to spend some time together kind of embracing all of that and getting cozy for Christmas. So I want to decorate our home for Christmas. As you can see behind me, we put up our Christmas tree on Saturday. That's just a really special Christmas tradition that Christopher and I love to do with each other, but there are still a few other fun festive touches that I want to add around our house. Then I also want to get a festive coffee. There's something about a peppermint mocha that just feels so right at this time of year. Then I also want to visit Trader Joe's and Target, and maybe a few other spots as well, so we can pick up some festive treats, some greenery, and maybe a few decor pieces. Then I also want to do the first day of my Advent tea calendar, which I'll show you more later. I want to make some peppermint bark with a fun little twist. Then we'll see how we're doing on time, but there's also a fun little wreath DIY that I want to do as well. So it's a lot for sure, but this is going to be so much fun. So I'm thinking let's head to the coffee shop first. We can get some fuel for the day, then we can head to Target and Trader Joe's. Before we go though, let's do a quick outfit check. This super cozy sweater is from Free People via my Nuuly order. My jeans are from Madewell, and I'm just wearing my Timberland boots. So keeping things super simple, but it also feels just really classic. Okay, time now though to head off to the store.
Welcome to Starbucks. We can get started for you.
Hey there, could I get a white chocolate peppermint mocha?
What size?
Let's do a grande.
That was the white chocolate peppermint mocha?
Yeah, and could I get it half sweet actually?
All right, that'll be $6.27.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, got my drink. This is a grande white chocolate peppermint mocha, half sweet. Let's give it a little taste test. Oh, it's so good. This is like just a very nostalgic drink for me. It always just, it feels like the signal to, okay, Christmas has begun. We got our peppermint, we got our chocolate. It's so good. Okay, but now I'm going to sip on this as I drive. Let's head off to Trader Joe's. Okay, just got back from the store and I was able to find so many fun treats. Let me show you some of what I got. Okay, and let's start with the food. The first thing that I found were these mini dark chocolate mint stars. Haven't tried these before, but they looked really good. Then I also got these buttered toffee pretzels. I feel like you can't go wrong with a covered pretzel. Then I got a chocolate advent calendar. So something that I grew up doing every year, and it's just something that I always look forward to. Then I also got a bottle of this triple ginger brew. It's super spicy, but delicious. And I've never seen these before, but they were too cute to pass up. They're these little cookie mug hangers, and you're supposed to kind of put them on your mug as you have a hot chocolate or some other fun cozy drink. They just look so cute. Then I also got some puff pastry for making desserts and these little Scandinavian tiny gummies. And I definitely ended up picking up more sweets than I typically would in a regular grocery haul, but at this time of year, we're always having people over, and it's always nice to have just a few small snacks out that people can munch on. So I think that's it for seasonal treats. The rest of the food that I picked up was just regular groceries, but I did bring home a few bits of greenery and some decor pieces that I wanted to show you guys too. So at Target, I picked up these beautiful fir-side spruce candles. They just smell like a Christmas tree on a cold winter's day. Honestly, I just need the scent injected into my veins at this time of year. It's so good. I picked up 2 of these candles and we might need to light them later today because I'm not sure I can wait. In keeping with that theme, I also got these cedar balsam scented pine cones. Feels weird to be smelling pine cones, but these smell amazing. And I have a little project in mind where I want to use them. Then we also got this giant garland. I have a couple ideas of where this could go, but I'm thinking it would be really beautiful just hung over our door outside. And then these branches are almost as tall as I am, but I just found these beautiful white birch branches. I think it would be really cool maybe to cut them down a bit, see if we can put them in a vase. Then last but not least, I got some eucalyptus. And I thought that this would be perfect just to have on our table in the dining room. So that's everything that I got while I was out, but now let's take a few moments, put everything away, then we can get to decorating. So I was just about to put this away, but I figured we should do a little taste test, you know? Make sure it's not poisoned. That's always my excuse for having chocolate. Where is one? There it is. Oh no, I just dropped it. Okay, 5-second rule. Today it looks like we've got a little angel. Ooh, I literally dropped it again. Obviously this piece of chocolate doesn't want to get eaten. Okay, here we go. It's good. I mean, it's not the best quality chocolate I've ever had in my life, but it's tasty. Okay, time to start decorating. And right now we have the tree done as well as some outside lights, but pretty much the rest of the house has yet to be decorated. So that's what I want to focus on now. So I have everything that we should need laid out right here, and in addition to the items that we picked up earlier, I also have a few things that I've accumulated over the years. So let me walk you through those quickly, and then we can get started. So first, I have 5 of these little ceramic houses. They all have these cute little lights in them, and I feel like this is just such a classic piece of decor. Then I have this Joyeux Noël sign. If you've been around here for a while, you might know that I was born and raised in Canada, so this French sign really just reminds me of where I grew up. Then I have a few of these little wood bottle brush trees. This very minimal looking wood tree. Honestly, I'm not even sure that it reads as a tree, but I feel like it does at Christmas. I have this cool metal gold reindeer and my stocking, which I like to hang up as decor. So I'm excited to use all of these pieces just to add some fun festive touches throughout the house. I do like to keep things still fairly minimal as far as Christmas decor goes, but it's nice just to add a few touches, and they really do just kind of brighten my day whenever I look at them. It all really contributes and helps make the home feel so cozy at this time of year. All right, but now let's get to decorating, and I think I want to start with doing the greenery first. So let's begin there, and then we'll move on to the smaller bits and bobs. Okay, got our little vases ready to go. Let's start spreading them around the house. Well, I'm already loving the addition of our little bits of greenery. It's looking so good in here. But now I want to add in all of our other bits, and I figure while we do that, let's just take the coziness in here up a notch. I want to light a scented candle in here, play some Christmas music, turn our TV into a fireplace, and generally create a cozy ambiance. So let's take a moment and set the mood, and then we can get to decorating. That's more like it. Now it's time to decorate. was so much fun, and I love how it all came out. It really is amazing how just small touches here and there scattered throughout the house really can just cozy up an entire space, just make it feel so festive. Right now though, all the sights and scents of Christmas that we've been incorporating are making me long for the taste of Christmas. So what I want to do now is to make our peppermint bark. And peppermint bark is one of those Christmas foods that I absolutely love, but I thought it would be fun to do it with a bit of a twist. I found a recipe the other day for Oreo peppermint bark, and I thought that sounded fun and that we could give it a try. But before we start baking, I did just realize we have made a bit of a mess of the island, so let's tidy that up first. Okay, that's more like it. Now we have a nice clean surface to work from. Now I want to get started on this peppermint bark. And to make this is super easy, just 4 main ingredients. We have Oreos, peppermint, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. Then to make it, it's really easy. We're just going to begin by melting the milk chocolate. We'll do a layer of that. Then we'll do the white chocolate, have that as the second layer. And then on the top, we'll sprinkle the crushed Oreo and the peppermint. So it should be pretty quick and easy, but hopefully also taste delicious as well. So I'm going to get started just by getting everything out. We can start making it. This officially looks amazing. I'm going to pop this into the freezer to let it cool and let it set. And then once we do that, we'll have a little taste test. Okay, well the peppermint bark is now in the freezer, and right now we just need to wait about 15 minutes to let everything solidify before we can try it out. Although I did actually dip an Oreo in the extra white chocolate from where I melted it. That was super tasty, so I'm sure the peppermint bark will be as well. But while we wait, I thought it might be fun to do the first day of my tea advent calendar with you all. So this is from David's Tea. It's the 24 days of tea. And I've never done one of their tea advent calendars before, but I have friends who do them every single year. And they always have fun kind of like ranking the different teas that are inside. So I thought that might be fun to do together since I know a lot of you love tea just as much as I do. So inside of this thing, and I'm actually opening this up for the first time as well, you have these cute little containers of all of the different teas. So it looks like day 1 is right here. Also, here's a little close-up of what it looks like inside. This little scene right here is so adorable. Okay, but here's day 1, our first day of tea. And it looks like, how do you tell the flavor? Okay, we have Hygge, Merry Mistletoe. Oh my goodness. David's Tea is a Canadian company, so they have the French name here and the English name here, and I just read the French name first. Okay, Merry Mistletoe sounds like the name I was expecting though. Let's go ahead and give this thing a little smell. Ooh, okay. It's kind of fruity, but also there's something kind of not chai-ish. There's like a sense of orange, of cranberry, a berry for sure. I wonder what kind of tea that is. Also, there's details about all of the teas on the back right here. So it says that this is a white tea. It's caffeine free, which is perfect because it is like 6 p.m. now. And it has apple, raisins, hibiscus, cranberries, cloves, a bunch of other things in here. So I'm going to make a cup of this tea now, and then we'll try it and do a little review. Okay, so I just made this and let it cool off for a few minutes so that hopefully I don't burn my tongue. It smells, I don't know if you've ever had hot wassail before, but this smells quite similar to that, and I love wassels. So if it tastes anything like that, I'm probably going to love it. But anyways, let's go ahead and try this tea now. I like it. Normally I'm a black or red tea type of person. I don't naturally gravitate towards white teas. This one's really good. Yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy this one. I'd give it probably like a 4 out of 5. So definitely off to a great start with our advent calendar. I can't wait to keep trying all of the different teas in there. But now our peppermint bark has been in the freezer for about 20 minutes, so plenty of time for it to set. Right now I want to chop it up and give it a try. Well, the peppermint bark officially looks amazing. I picked out a small piece. I want to give that a try now. It's a good combination. Well, that recipe gets 2 thumbs up from me. That is most certainly a snack that I look forward to having around our house in the next few days and weeks. I think on that note, I'm going to end this one here. We didn't quite get to our wreath DIY, but it's about 7 p.m. now. I'm hungry. I want to get started on some dinner. I just want to spend some quality time with Christopher, enjoying a cozy evening together, maybe watching a Christmas movie. And I might throw in a few clips at the end of what all we get up to this evening, but I really hope that you enjoyed coming along and spending the day with me as we just got cozy for Christmas, kind of ushered in this festive season. As always, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. And I would love to know, what is your favorite Christmas or holiday tradition? I would love to hear about it, so be sure to let me know in the comments below. And until next time, friends, I am wishing you all an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.